Request all our members to please settle down. It's already 3:30. Right, so let us start the meeting. So I request all the members to rise for national anthem.
I'm a co-chair of Magnitude chapter. It's wonderful to see all of you here today, and I'll brief the agenda now. We'll start with the elevator pitch. Theme is given to everyone. That is your name, your address, your brand name, and your gain business till now. Since you joined the webinar till now. Okay. After that, we'll continue with the business presentations. We have 4 business presentations today. Then gratitude badges and loyalty badges, and the new launch of our community platform, and the thank you note, and we have open categories.
Eco-friendly, safe, long-lasting treatment. In short, nuclear pest control means trust, safety, and guaranteed result. Thank you.
Hello ladies, good evening. I am Sneha Lavande. So just like we never step out without our favorite lipstick or handbag, life is also incomplete without the right protection, right? I help families secure their health and life insurance so that in times of emergencies, they are safeguarded. And I'm proud to share that through Webin, I have secured 8.5 lakh worth of business till date. So if you'd like your money and loved ones to always be safe, I am your go-to person. Thank you.
Pencil sharp and papers bright. Stationery store a wondrous sight. For school and office we prepare with pens and more beyond compare. Good evening everyone, myself Rovina George, proprietor of Schoolwork Stationery. I deal in all kind of school and office supplies. So for any requirement to get in touch with me. Business gain till date is 80,000. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Memories are forever, is what we say it in Raisin Art. So if you have memories, you want to preserve it, I'm here for you all to help you out. You can have us all Varmala preservations or watch preservations. So you can see it. I have my name. My name is Anupama Sharma, and I'm dealing with Petals Raisin Art. Thank you very much. Business I got till now was 2,800.
Hello everyone. Long drives shouldn't mean stiff necks. Meet the car neck pillow from my brand Anuvit Enterprises, your neck's best friend. Designed with ergonomic support and high quality memory foam, it's a small upgrade that fits perfectly in any car seat. Just strap it on, lean back and let your neck say, ah. So this is Anuvit Enterprises. Business gain till now is 4,200 approximately.
My name is Sharifa Sheikh and my brand name is Taha Organics. We customize products for every skin type as per customer requirements, and total business gain from Webin till now is 23,800.
Good evening. My name is Harsha Pedekar. I am into Ari Work, anything and everything on fabric. I have designed this logo, which Nikhat ma'am has already put it on her suit that is designed by me. Thank you. Business gain till date is 12,300. Thank you.
रिश्ते में तो हम आपके पॉलिसी वाले लगते हैं. नाम है नुरशाद चिवानी, फाउंडर ऑफ कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन. जैसे एप्पल अपने यूजर्स को प्रीमियम प्रोटेक्शन देता है, जैसे एप्पल अपने यूजर्स को प्रीमियम प्रोटेक्शन देता है, वैसे ही मैं आपके परिवार के लिए प्रीमियम इंश्योरेंस प्रोटेक्शन लेके आती हूँ. और सबसे बड़ी बात कि सिर्फ पॉलिसी करना ही बस नहीं है, उसके बाद हम आपकी फैमिली को सुरक्षित करते हैं. नुरशाद चिवानी कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन से जो फैमिली से करे प्यार, वो इंश्योरेंस से कैसे करे इनकार. In my 1 year, I have given business of 8,81,000 with 286 referrals, and I have received 61 referrals with 24,16,746.
A very good afternoon to all present here. I'm Batul Sayyed, presenting my lingerie store, Fabeline Collections. This is a place where you will find all family needs under one roof. So business gain till today is 18,000. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Webinite Rema Revankar. I am the co-founder of Rituparna Naturals based in Mapsa. We are a plant studio and provide gardening essentials and gifting plants. Thank you. It's around 20,000.
Very good evening to one and all. Myself Nazneen Sheikh, owner of Yusha and Beauty Salon and Spa. We deal in all type of beauty services related to skin and hair. One of our key services that we have recently started and we're getting a very good response is cupping services that we have started, and we are the only salon in the South Goa who have come up with this. Business gain till date is 7,20,340. Thank you.
I'm architect Divya Prabhu Sati. I represent my brand Studio Consummity, under which we take up interior design and contracting services. We are based in Margao. Business gain from Weben is projects worth 11,28,000. Thank you.
Dr. Kamaksha Karo Singba. I'm a physiotherapist and owner of Karo Fitness Studio. So we have various classes like Zumba, Yoga, Karate, Gymnastic, and business gain till date is approx 1 lakh. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies. My name is Sia Nadkarni. I am the owner and co-founder of the print shop. We are into printing solutions. If you have anything related to, basically all the businesses need printing and designing. So if you have anything, you can contact me. Business gain till today is 5 lakhs plus.
And my brand is Chitramay Products. We cater premium laddus made with purely jaggery and also millets. I think healthy can never be so tastier before. You can try this because we have our table display today, so you can taste it yourself.
I'm Yogita Purit, owner of Omkar Traders. I'm a wholesaler and retailer with all types of disposables and packaging products and decorative items. Business gain will take approx more than 30 minutes.
Very excited to introduce my brand. It's called Our Voice. You'll find this on your table. My name is Siobhan Pimenta and we are a cloud kitchen located in Kolva. Our star product, as you will see on the flyer, is called a UFO burger. Another incredible USP about this is that we cater with Goan flavors like Kafriel, Shakti, Reshad and Balchao, and much more than that. What my ask for today is that I want to have more collaborations, I want to have more workshops in our space. Since we're a cloud kitchen, we have the space for that below. I heard a lot of ladies over here introduce that you are into resin, for example, or designing, and I would love to have you at our space. Another ask is we want to cater, have bulk orders for events, staff meetings, anything, birthday parties. Since the shape of the burger is a UFO, it's a flying saucer. Kids find this interesting and exciting. Would love to have. Yeah,
we are running out of time,
sorry
so
that.
we'll connect over high tea.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sri Lakshmi Kulkarni, and my brand name is Money. I am purely making masalas and all for your mother's touch with your masalas to everyday cooking for you, purely with veg and all types of masalas I do. Good evening.
Precise dental care and dental implantology for a complete smile makeover. Our mission is simple, that is modern technology for healthy spines. Business received is from cross-chapter member Ms. Karina Amlani, 1,500. Thank you.
I represent my brand SP Investmart. We are a mutual fund and wealth advisory firm located in Margao, providing online services across the entire Bharat. A business gain till date from Weben is 1.5 crores. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Maria Vaz. My brand Emmanuel Light and Art. We are dealing with customization of handmade items and hair accessories, blending tradition with modern designs. Every piece is made up to add beauty and meaning to your life. Business gain after joining Weben, 2,800. Thank you.
My name is Shubhra Prabhu Sondekar and my brand is Prakriti Veda.
deals with plants and gardening essentials. We specialize in customized gifting and provide landscaping services. And business gain up till now is 1,14,876 rupees.
Sonali Revankar, representing brand Re-Art. I'm a customized handmade jewelry and have a very beautiful collection of anti-tarnish jewelry as well. My business gain till date is 11,200 rupees.
Founder of Nuclear Pest Control. We proudly serving Goa since 2011, providing safe, effective pest.
मेरा कुकिंग स्किल है अपना जायका घर से बनता है बिरयानी कबाब सैंडविचेस एंड मच मोर इस पे तो सब दिया है जाने के टाइम आप ले लो एंड प्लीज़ एक चांस दे दो थैंक यू सो मच
Also the founder of Nani Nailed It. I do customized press-on nails, gel and acrylics. Do visit me.
Just relocated from Mumbai 2 months back, and after running successfully 3 boutiques in Mumbai or Western Attire, I am starting here also in Panjim in the name of Cocktail Fashion Studio from 22nd of September. So you all are invited, and thank you Khushi for bringing me here. Thank you so much.
So my name is Sakshi Prabhu and I am the director of Quantum Educational Solutions. We have 3 centers, that is in Kankona, Margaon and Kurchorem. We have tied up with schools there. So we basically train students for Olympiads, NTSC, JEE and NEET. So we cater from 6th standard to 12th standard. Okay, we have experienced faculties, comprehensive study material and we do regular student assessments also. Okay, so if you want your children to opt engineering or go in medical, please contact us. Thank you.
She's a founder of Complete Solution and a professional consultant with over 21 years of experience from her head office in Madgaon, which is with a skilled team. She has safeguarded the financial future of about 4,000 families and businesses. She's among the top 1% of insurance advisors in India and 18-time MDRT qualifier and has proudly represented India in international conferences in Canada and USA. With her client first approach and proven track record, Ms. Nurshad Jivani is truly a trusted name in insurance, offering not just protection but peace of mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi, for the wonderful introduction. Happy evening, ladies. So I'm Nurshad, founder of Complete Solution. One stop your family, their dreams, their aspirations, their goals, the education, the happy times you spend together. And all this is only possible because of you. Now just imagine, God forbid dreams. Worry not. This is exactly what life insurance does. Life insurance is the protection. Life insurance is just not a policy.
Everyone. My name is Anushka Bernecker. I'm the founder of Florence & Co. We specialize in all sorts of handcrafted scented luxuries that includes candles, diffusers, smells that you already know about. But we want to highlight the mists that we have and the serum that you guys must have seen in the offers group. I have some samples here, so please do come have a look once the meeting's over. Thank you so much.
May I know how many of you are mothers in this meeting room today? Mothers, mummies? कौन माताएं हैं? बहनें हमारी okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Or how many of you mummies want your children to have a successful career here? How many of you want your children to have a successful career? Thank you for raising both your hands. I am doing the DMIT testing and career counseling, which DMIT is a tested scientific method of mapping a child's potential through fingerprints. So mummies, you're going to need me. Please connect with me. I am Anju Desai. I am from Prudence and my brand name is Trading Tools. I am a soft skills trainer. Thank you.
We are into manufacturing of cold pressed oils and dehydrated powders of fruits and vegetables. My setup is in Sakling and till today I have gained business of 12,600 rupees. Thank you.
My product is Amon Cosmetics Care, also skincare, and I am from home
and I'm staying in Chandwara, Fatoda, and also we are selling home appliance. Thank you so much.
My name is Purnima. I represent Neuroplus, and I'm an accountability partner for parents and students. So I do career counseling, emotional detox program, and parenting webinars. So thank you, Karina and Nushad, for inviting me here. And that's it. Thank you.
To introduce my work, that is my MC and social media influencer, wherein I promote businesses through my page, my reels and my creativity, and also I host events, all kind of events. So I'm here to collaborate with you all and shine together. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम योगिता शाहपुरकर है। मैं प्रॉन पिकल्स बनाती हूँ। मेरी डिग्री फिशरीज साइंस से हुई है। मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और ये मेरा पैम्पलेट है, आप जाते समय देख लीजिए। जो हमारे सी कैच प्रॉन्स रहते हैं उससे मैं ये प्रॉन पिकल्स बनाती हूँ। ये 3 to 4 months विदाउट फ्रिज भी रह सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Good evening to one and all. Hi, this is Vebinite Dilshad Vishi with my brand called Bake by Dil. I'm a baker. We are located in Dawalim. I do all kind of customized cake. My key products are wedding cakes and bulk baking orders. So my business gain from Webin is 4,16,732 rupees. Thank you.
They say sari is just a fabric, but it's so much more. A canvas of heritage legacy woven with love, strength, culture and celebration. I am Snehal Chavan, representative from World of Katpadar, a brand of silk sarees, especially premium and festive wear sarees. So do visit my table. The business gain since joining Webin is not much because I was online. I was doing only online, and recently only just 15 days back I have opened store in Mapsa, and the inauguration was done by none other than Sia ma'am. Thank you so much for coming there.
Modi Academy and founder of Hello Home Tuitions. We are into educational services like school coaching and preparing students for college entrance exams like CLAT, BBA, Law. And for graduates, we cater government job exams preparation like GPSC, Goa, SSC. And we are based in Panjim, and our main office is in Panjim. Other centers are in Pilar and Sakli. We are looking out for expanding in South. And business taken till now is 4,000. And
hello everyone. Personalized stitching perfected for every occasion. Hi, my name is Connie Gomes. My brand Connie's Creative Style specialize in wedding package, infant package, formal and casual wear. Business gain since joining Webin is around 60,000.
Also redefine your old jewelry. Apart from the business gain, I would say that through Webin Circle, my growth has increased a lot when it comes to new clients, new trust, and growth in expanding and development in myself. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अंजुम है। मेरी कंपनी का नाम अंजुम्स गोवा मिनी मॉल है। मेरी कंपनी में ड्रेस मटेरियल्स, रेडीमेड ड्रेसेस और पार्टी वेयर, कैजुअल वेयर और नाइटीज़ वगैरह अवेलेबल है। 2000 की शॉपिंग करने पर होम डिलीवरी फ्री है। वेबिन में मुझे ज्वाइन हुए 2 महीने हुए हैं और इसमें बिजनेस गेन हुआ है 14,500 और बिजनेस गिवन 2,400।
My name is Mehtab Gary. My brand name is Hunar Fashion Academy. हुनर है तो रास्ते खुद बन जाते हैं। हुनर है तो रास्ते खुद बन जाते हैं। जहाँ हौसले हो वहाँ रंग सज जाते हैं। We offer fashion designing courses in diploma and also short-term and long-term courses in tailoring and other skills. And we are given business in Webin 7,438.
I am Advocate Rusa Sheikh. I am from Chapter Prudence and I am practicing all over Goa in civil and criminal fields. as well as property registrations and any other legal queries. And business gain, I haven't calculated, but it's somewhere about a lakh.
Dr. Athira Raj, representing Dentistry Co., a center of advanced dentistry based in Santanes. So the amount of business I have received from Webin is approximately around 3.5, 4, and the business given is also around 3.5. Thank you.
Here, the owner of the Bake Shop by Latifa, spreading health and wellness from the comfort of my home. And I make healthy millet cakes, cookies, so I have a table, you can come and check it out. And the business gain up to date is 90,000. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vedanayak Vedashri Lavande, my brand Vedkala Collections. I am an embroidery artist. Business gained so far is somewhere around 70 to 80,000. We have come up with these embroidered lace especially for Navratri, so which you can have a look after the meeting. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Manali Vednekar, founder of Financial Wisdom. At Financial Wisdom, we help individuals, women entrepreneurs, families achieve their financial goal through the route of mutual fund investments. Being women entrepreneur, we focus only on creating one source of income, being a business income. So at Financial Wisdom, we help you create a second source of income which will help you achieve your financial freedom. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Nazreen Sheikh from Fatrida. I run a small business named Baby Blooms. It's a newborn baby clothing. Here we design and manufacture newborn baby clothes like jabla, nappies, wrappers, caps, swaddles, quilts, and many more. We also manage customized gift set as per the customer choice. I manage the business from my home itself, and I am having a happy customer in India as also in abroad. And thank you for giving me this opportunity.